In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim videos in CapCut PC. If you've ever recorded a clip with a few seconds of fumbling at the start or an awkward pause at the end, trimming is the fastest way to clean it up and keep your timeline tidy. With your footage already on the timeline in CapCut for PC, we'll use a simple click and drag method first. Then I'll show you two keyboard shortcuts that make this even faster. Start by moving your mouse to the very beginning or the very end of your clip on the timeline. As you hover right on the edge of the clip, your cursor will change into a double-sided arrow. That icon tells you you're on the trim handle. Click and hold that edge, then drag inward toward the middle of the clip. Everything you drag past is instantly trimmed away, tightening your clip to exactly where you release the mouse. On CapCut's main track, the remaining video automatically slides forward so you don't get a blank gap. This is great for keeping your project flowing without manually shifting clips around. Take a moment to find the precise frame that feels natural. A slow, steady drag helps you land accurately. If you trim a little too far, don't worry. Just drag the edge back out to reveal more of the original clip. And if you change your mind entirely, you can undo and try again. Trimming like this is quick, visual, and perfect when you can see exactly where the unwanted part ends. For an even faster move, place your timeline playhead exactly where you want the new edge to be. Think of the playhead as a marker for your ideal starting or ending point. With that lined up, press the Q key to instantly trim everything to the left of the playhead, or press W to trim everything to the right. This jump cuts your clip to the playhead position in a single keystroke, delivering tight professional boundaries without manual dragging. It's especially handy when you can hear a breath or see a flash frame and want to snap the edit right to that moment. That's all you need to create clean starts and finishes in seconds. Hover for the trim handle, click and drag to shape the clip, and use Q or W when you want that immediate, precise trim to the playhead. With these simple moves, your timeline stays clean, your pacing improves, and your edit looks polished. You're all set. Perfect, tight video boundaries in seconds. Done.